So, according to the data provided by the World Health Organization, over 2.5 million people so far have been confirmed with the coronavirus, and over 170,000 people have died because of this. In some hospitals in Brooklyn, New York, so many people died that they even have to have a truck to carry those dead bodies. And it is essential to gain a deep understanding of the coronavirus not only for your own knowledge but for your health and your safety. So I am a student from China who had been in quarantine for 14 days, and I saw how doctors deal with such issues. And I think that we all need to learn about it because we are all in this global pandemic, and it is related to everyone. So today I'm going to inform you about the history of the coronavirus, how it spreads among people, and how do we protect ourselves. So the coronavirus disease, which is also known as COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. It is similar to SARS. So according to the article coronavirus posted by the World Health Organization in 2020, most people infected with the COVID-19 will experience a mild to moderate respiratory illness and recovery without further treatment. But older people are more likely to get this disease. And Christy Anderson, PhD, Associate Professor of Immunology and Microbiology of Scrap Research, and a corresponding author on the paper The Approximate Origin of SARS-CoV-2, published on Natural Medicine 2002, said, by comparing the available genome sequence for known coronavirus strains, we can firmly determine that COVID-19 originated through natural processes. In addition, many experts believe that it actually came from horseshoe bats. So knowing the origin of coronavirus is not enough. It is also very important for us to know how it spreads among people. So coronavirus spreads from person to person through a close contact. When people with COVID-19 breathe out or cough, they will expel tiny droplets which contains the virus, and these droplets can enter the mouth or nose of another person and cause an infection to occur. And a new study suggests that it is possible for someone without any symptoms to carry the virus. Actually, 10% of the infection are from people with no symptoms. So even if a person doesn't look sick or he or she doesn't show any symptoms, he or she may still get the virus. So after studying on how coronavirus spreads among people, medical experts had actually came up with some effective measures for us to take to prevent such disease. The first one is washing your hands. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with alcohol-based hand rub or with soap and water can kill the virus on your hands. And this measure is especially important when you touch public areas. And the second measure is to practice respiratory hygiene. So this means covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose the used tissue immediately. So, another example of practicing good respiratory hygiene is to wear masks when going out. So, in conclusion, the disease occurs in a natural process, and it possibly came from horseshoe bats. This disease mainly spreads through body fluids such as saliva. So please stay safe and wash your hands and wear masks.